Goeiemiddag vriende, ek hoop dit gaan baie goed met julle almal. Good afternoon friends, hope you're having a wonderful day and that everyone is well and happy. This is a miniature Stone Dojo which was inspired from the main Stone Dojo. As die klein nuwe Stone Dojo wat die kinders begin het, the children have made that from Team Shongololo. En daar kan jy sien hulle inspirasie. Ek het vir hulle gesê, alles begin met dissipline en harde werk. Everything starts with discipline and hard work. Solank jy net begin, kan jy enige iets bereik wat jy wil doen. Solank jy net nie opgee nie. As long as you believe in yourself and you begin, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. And this is a beautiful example of it right there, where the children are learning. Every single stone that is placed at the dojo, even the small one, is a promise. En vir elke klippe daar geplaas word by die klein dojo of die groote, dit is 'n belofte om te sê, ek gaan oefen, ek gaan myself verbeter, ek gaan sterker raak, ek gaan beter raak, ek gaan nie opgee nie. I'm going to get stronger, better, and I will not give up. That's what each rock symbolizes. It's great to see all the young children learning this.